The stock market is once again bouncing around. We are bouncing over to pro trader Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts. Hello, Tim. The Dow is making an impressive run in record territory and closing in on 47,000. What are your three trading keys?
Yeah, really looking at a market, will we break out to fresh new highs on the major indices here, Angie? It'd be interesting to see as we kind of get into the teeth of earnings season now with some of the tech names, Netflix and Tesla. Netflix reported Tesla coming out soon. And then next week, I think, is really the key as we have the Fed meeting, certainly 25 basis point cut, pretty much all but done. But more importantly, we have Microsoft and Apple both reporting on Wednesday and Thursday. And with the weights that those carry now in both the S&P and the NASDAQ, Apple now is back to being the second biggest market cap stock, Microsoft number 3. But along with NVIDIA, those three comprise over 20% of the S&P 500 and over 35% of the NASDAQ 100. So as those three stocks go, I think so goes the market.
Those are the heavyweights. Your trade of the day is a stock that's getting a ton of attention in the options market and not a stock we talk about a lot.
Yeah, looking at huge repeat call buying in Gap Inc., the old Gap stores, if you will, out in December. The December 24 calls especially have seen just tens of thousands of contracts trading. More importantly, the implied volatility, fancy way to say the price of the option, went along with it. So I'm following that massive call buyer, buying the shares, selling these very expensive calls, trading at the highest level they have over the past year, just looking to lean a little bullishly, but collect very rich premium to hedge the downside.
What or who do you think is behind that trade in Gap? Suddenly thinking that stock will go higher.
I think it's a way to kind of position into a seasonally. December seems to be the most bullish period for Gap. And I think some big player is looking for Gap to have a very good holiday season. We shall see. So the way I think the best way to play it is don't jump in and buy what everyone else is buying. Sell what everyone else is overpaying for. Hedge with something more fairly valued.
Thank you, Tim, for your trade.
You bet. Anytime, Ange. Take care.